So I decided not to upload the rest of this video because it was not going too well. My mistake was I do not have translucent paper, and that makes it a bit difficult to see where your specimen's wings are. Also, graphing paper is your best friend when it comes to symmetry. Do I have graphing paper? No. So everything basically in these videos, you can tell I just wing it. Literally. But don't do that unless you're that confident. Me, I have too much confidence. That's my issue. I have way too much confidence. But most of the time, it turns out pretty darn well, so... Okay, yeah, would you look at that? Sweet. Don't go underway. Please come over here. Okay. Beautiful. Wow. Well... Wow. Should I put it all the way up here? It's kind of obnoxious. You know what? No, it's not. It's not obnoxious. Wow, no, that actually looks so pretty. Okay. Sweet. Do I remember the outline? Yeah. Should have put all my pens over here while I had the time. Yeah. Yep. Sweet. I hope you guys enjoy these videos wherever you are. Oh, I have too much paper. Please let me not mess up. Yahoo! Would you look at that? I'm a natural. Yeah, right. I wish. I'm just gonna redo this wing because I exaggerated it by putting it all the way up to the other side. So, symmetry, right, guys? Oh wow, it's already staying. Oh crap. Scoot. And we drag. I don't know if it's supposed to be lifting up like this, but yeah, I'd appreciate also in the comments too, like constructive criticism. Like if I'm doing something completely wrong, feel free to be like, hey, you can actually do this, or any tips. I appreciate, because constructive learning is always beneficial to sharpening one's craft, right, guys? Yeah. Like, I should be using graphing paper. I should be using translucent paper. Are those available in Japan? Yes. Or Okinawa, but fortunately, I have not gone to get some. Ah! I hate mistakes. Not mistakes, but it's not flushed. It's not flushed, dang it. Can I just scooch you a bit more? No. I want this part to be like up. You know? Oh man. Whatever, it's gonna. No! Come on, buddy. Work with me. Stay with me. I know it's dead, but meaning like stay with me, like don't move. Okay. That's great. That's fine. Whatever. This is... it's not that bad. Could be worse. But yeah, constructive criticism, guys. I appreciate any of that jazz too. This was fairly a fast pin, actually. Well, no, not really. I had probably like 10 minutes before this. Okay. It looks pretty symmetrical. Shucks, I just wish I had more space for his wife. Let me see if I could do. Okay, not really. Yeah, because his paw, I wanted to go more to the side. Dang it. Ooh, I'm afraid to pin him. He's so elevated. I'm afraid to pin him. No. Okay. Whatever. Oh wait, do I want to open up his wings a bit more? Will he? Just a little bit. Okay. That's as good as it's gonna get. Alright, so we're just gonna try to go in the center. That's not the center. And focus on the beetle, not my hands. 1, 2, 3, push. Oh shoot, he's really strong. He is very super strong. Oh, go through, go through. Shoot, I need my husband. Just kidding, my husband would be like, do it yourself, you can do it. But I can't. No, I can't do it. Come on, I can do it. Come on. No, it's not. Oh my gosh, Goliath beetles are so strong, dang it. I'm so sorry. Oh, this is not good. Should I use a hammer? Wait guys, I have a hammer. Well, he has a hammer, but okay guys, I got a hammer. I don't think this is super super proper, but desperate times call for desperate measures, right? I don't have my husband right now. He is at the wood shop. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it went through, right? Why am I asking you guys? Okay, let's see. Yay! He went through. Yippee-ki-yay! Huzzah! Push it. Okay. That was kind of stressful. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, wait a second. I know I relaxed him a lot, but why? 1, 2, lift. Okay. I lifted just because I want it to be a bit raised, just to give it more of the symmetrical appeal. I'm just gonna open up. His wife is just chilling upside down in the container pool. I hope you guys like this video. Sorry if it stressed anybody out. I didn't mean to. Oh no, your other leg's not out. Do. That's not too symmetrical. I'm not gonna worry about those. I'm not too picky on the feet or anything, so we'll just lay like that. And we're gonna open up your little paw. Open sesame, and we twist, twist, set. So you put it in like this, twist, twist. Oh my gosh! I almost just broke that. Not good. Not good. So let me just twist the entire thing. And sit down like that. Okay, phew. And there you have it. The Goliath beater. But I am